Welcome back to Kwapa Video Diaries, and now we're going to go through September of 2025. Let's discuss week 1. For the first time ever in African Guide Academy history, we discovered that there is a pangolin on our concession, which is very exciting. For the first week of September, I had time off for my birthday and I was meeting my family for an event, but on the way out of the concession, I saw a side-striped jackal for the first time, which was wonderful, as I've never seen this canine before. Week 2. During the second week of September, Kwapa camp was closed, but this provided us an opportunity to do some renovations to make small incremental changes to the camp and make it as comfortable as possible for our students and to make it a better training environment for our current and future students. Week 3. In the third week, we relocated our wild dog. We hadn't seen them in over a month and we were concerned, but when we found them, we saw that all the puppies were still alive and they had started to transition from regurgitate to solid foods. This means that they won't be denning anymore and we won't be seeing them as often, but it's still a great sign as they are going to be following the adults and starting to participate in hunts. For the first time in African Guide Academy history, we have a nature guide course and a trails course happening at the same time, which means our camp is operating at full capacity. Another exciting development in week 3 was that for my first time, not only did I get to go on one sleep out, I got to go on 2 sleep outs in a row. And if you look at our social media accounts, you'll see the highlights of both of those nights. Week 4, probably the one moment that sticks out the most to me was Elsa's on-foot encounter with Kwapa female, a leopard, in camp. Luckily, Savara was there to keep her at ease and to tell her what to do in the moment. But she saw Kwapa female and she was very close. She got within a few meters of her. She got a bit of a fright, but she listened to instruction well and luckily there was no incident. An amazing once-in-a-lifetime encounter for one of our students. Another bit of exciting news is that we relocated our lion. We hadn't seen them in over a month. And not only did we find our lion, we saw that one of our females has at least 2 cubs that was found by our trails group. Later I got some images of her in the tree. Unfortunately, I wasn't lucky enough to actually see the cubs. The rainy season is about to arrive in Kwapa, and one of the best things about that is that we are starting to see new species of birds. We have seen some wild-bird eagles, some purple rollers, and some more green wood hoopoe. Some more news is that although there is still water in Kudum Channel, the water level is dropping quite a bit. Our students got to go and swim there before the water completely has gone away. My hope is that the rainy season will come a little bit earlier and we can refill that channel so we can have some more water in the channel for some of our future Nature Guide course students. And last but not least, something that I've been really excited to see and something others have seen, I finally got to see my African wildcat and I was incredibly excited to get an image of that and to include it in our Cats of Kwapa social media post. That concludes the Kwapa Video Diary of the month. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for next month. And if you enjoyed this video, please like the video. Please feel free to comment and hit the notification bell and join us in the future for more of these diaries. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.